Thinking about using Bluehost for your website? Whether you're launching a small business, portfolio, or an online store, this video covers everything you need to know before you buy. We'll go over plans, pricing, speed, performance, security, customer support, and even the Bluehost dashboard, plus my real-world test results where I built a WordPress site and measured the load time. Spoiler, it's impressive. I provide a link in the description below to Bluehost, where you'll get an exclusive Bluehost discount, getting up to 70% off web hosting, plus a free domain name. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Bluehost hosting discount. If you haven't already, click the link in the description to visit Bluehost to get the best deal. Bluehost has been one of the most popular web hosting companies for over 20 years. They're officially recommended by WordPress.org, host millions of websites worldwide, and have a great reputation for combining reliability, affordability, and ease of use. One of the biggest reasons people choose Bluehost is how simple it is to get started. Once you log in, the Bluehost dashboard gives you a clean, beginner-friendly layout. You can manage your websites, domains, emails, and WordPress installs from one place. They also include an AI-powered site creator that helps you build a WordPress site in just a few minutes. Great for beginners who don't want to start from scratch. I tested a fully functional WordPress website hosted on Bluehost. The site loaded in 1.3 seconds on average, which is excellent for web hosting. Bluehost lets you choose between multiple data centers so you can host your site closer to your audience, improving both speed and SEO. They use NVMe SSD storage, which is up to 5 times faster than regular SSDs, and their servers use built-in caching and Cloudflare CDN integration. Security is another area where Bluehost performs well. You'll get free SSL certificates on all plans, automatic malware detection and removal, business plan and above, DDoS protection, daily or weekly backups, depending on your plan, and domain privacy to keep your personal info safe. These are things that other hosts often charge extra for. With Bluehost, most are included. Customer support is available 24/7 via live chat and phone. Bluehost also has a large knowledge base and video tutorials so you can find answers quickly. In my experience, their live chat response time was quick and the reps were friendly and knowledgeable. Now let's break down the plans and what you actually get. Starter plan, as low as $2.99 a month, comes with 10 websites, 10 GB NVMe storage, and up to 40,000 monthly visits. Perfect for small businesses or portfolio sites. Business plan starts at $5.99 a month, comes with 50 websites, 50 GB NVMe storage, and up to 200,000 visits a month. Includes premium features, phone support, malware detection and removal, domain privacy, and daily backups for your first year. eCommerce Essentials plan starts at $13.99 a month, comes with 100 websites, 100 GB NVMe storage, and up to 400,000 visits a month. Comes with built-in WooCommerce secure payment processing, memberships and subscriptions, affiliate tools, email templates, and social login. Bluehost offers 12-month, 36-month, and monthly terms, but keep in mind that the lowest price and free domain only come with the annual plans. Pros, fast NVMe servers and data center options, free domain and SSL, strong security tools, great WordPress integration, excellent support, and easy dashboard. Cons, the lowest prices require a 3-year term. Add-ons during checkout can raise the total if you're not careful. If you're looking for fast, reliable, and beginner-friendly hosting, Bluehost is absolutely worth it in 2025. The starter plan is great for small projects, business is ideal for growing sites, and eCommerce Essentials is perfect for online stores. You get strong performance, good security, and helpful support, all at an affordable price. I've included my Bluehost discount link in the description below. It gives you the best available pricing, plus a free domain name for your first year. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have questions about Bluehost and web hosting in general. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.